Get ready for an all-new way to integrate your business with the most complete e-commerce shipping platform on the market. ClickShip has helped thousands of businesses get better shipping and faster, smarter order fulfillment by integrating with some of the largest e-commerce platforms and online marketplaces in the world. Now we're making it easier than ever to offer ClickShip to more businesses. Introducing XML Integration for ClickShip. XML Integration gives businesses that are not currently able to connect with ClickShip's pre-existing marketplaces and platforms an easy way to integrate their custom website, legacy platform, WMS systems, or ERP system to the ClickShip platform. Once your platform is connected, your order and product information are sent to a secure FTP server where it is sorted, organized, and pulled to ClickShip. Once your order and product data are pulled, you're able to access ClickShip's deeply discounted rates on parcel and LTL services from the most trusted carriers in North America. You can also take advantage of ClickShip's robust order fulfillment toolkit, allowing you to set up shipping automations, book and process shipments in bulk, create custom-branded communications for your customers, and so much more. As soon as your shipments are booked, your shipping costs, taxes, and tracking information are pulled from ClickShip and pushed to your system via that same FTP server. Your business can use XML integration to connect multiple systems to ClickShip at once, even those that don't connect with one another natively. This means that if you use an ERP system for your supply chain management, a custom-built website for e-commerce, and even a brick-and-mortar location for in-person sales, you now have a way to manage every part of your shipping and order fulfillment simply, easily, and holistically. Are you ready to experience how XML integration can revolutionize your business shipping and order fulfillment? Get in touch with a ClickShip shipping expert today and transform how you ship with the most complete e-commerce shipping platform on the market.